the role of the Australian Institute of Criminology. So this organisation conducts criminological research, conferences and seminars, and it also publishes its findings and makes recommendations to the government. So its role in law reform is to investigate patterns of crime and identify areas in the law that need to be reformed. So the AIC has been responsible for significant law reform at all the different levels, federal, state, and territory. So for example, it's important that you've got some consistency in the law. So they have actually brokered some national agreements so that all states and territories have the same way of dealing with a particular matter. It wouldn't make much sense if they were different for different states and territories. They've also identified loopholes in the laws to eliminate variations in legislation and inconsistencies between the same laws in all government jurisdictions. They've recommended specific legislative changes, so new offences, increasing penalties and fines, those sorts of things. And they've undertook different evidence-based research to inform policy and practice as well. Okay, describe the similarities and differences between parliamentary committees and specialist task forces. So in this case, you've got similarities in terms of what they are doing, what their objective is, their purpose is, but differences in terms of who is involved in each of these. Parliamentary committees involve members of parliament, and specialist task forces involve specialists in the field of inquiry.